In a world where time has become a commodity as precious as gold, where every moment snatched from the daily routine is a treasure, there exists an ally that stands proudly against the waste of these precious moments. This ally is the BISSELL Vac Steam Titanium, a revolution in the world of home cleaning. Imagine a device that can turn the chore of cleaning into a quick, efficient, and even enjoyable experience. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive together into the world of this 2-in-1 vacuum and steam cleaner that promises to revolutionize the way you take care of your home. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. This 2-in-1 steam cleaner is ideal for those seeking an effective and quick cleaning solution for their dirt, eager to eliminate germs and bacteria without using chemical products. It is the perfect choice for busy families who value cleanliness and hygiene without compromising their precious time. The BISSELL Vac Steam is not just a simple cleaning device, it is the perfect fusion of power and technology designed to simplify your life. With its 1600 W of power, it eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria present on your hard floors, ensuring a healthy home for you and your loved ones. But the real magic lies in its ability to vacuum and steam clean simultaneously. Yes, you heard that right. No more need to vacuum and then clean separately. The BISSELL Vac Steam Titanium does both at the same time, saving you valuable time. This technological gem features a convenient digital control on the handle, allowing you to switch from vacuum mode to steam mode or use both functions simultaneously with ease. Imagine the ease with which you can clean your home without interruption, without switching devices. And with a quick heating time of just 30 seconds, your cleaning starts almost immediately after turning on the device. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But wait, there's more. The BISSELL Vac Steam Titanium is designed to make cleaning as hygienic as possible. Thanks to its unique DropIt dirt tank, you can dispose of hair and debris hygienically and without touching it, with the push of a button. No more unpleasant moments where you had to come into contact with accumulated dirt. Furthermore, this device is a champion of versatility. It is perfect for many surfaces in the home, from hardwood to carpet, thanks to its easy-to-use adjustable controls. Whether you need light cleaning or deep disinfection, the Vac Sim adapts to your needs. And let's talk about its on-demand steam function that provides concentrated cleaning power where and when you need it, making each pass effective and satisfying. The chemical-free aspect should not be underestimated. In a world that is increasingly aware of the importance of living in a healthy environment, the Vac Steam uses nothing more than water to clean and sanitize your floors. It is not only better for the planet, but also for your family and pets. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now and revolutionize your daily life. With a noise level of 81 decibels, it ensures powerful cleaning without causing too much disruption, which is essential in today's busy households. Its construction in 18/8 stainless steel not only ensures heat resistance, but also durability that will last you for many years. The contents of the box are equally impressive, providing everything you need to get started. A vacuum body, a foot, a handle, 2 types of soft and irregular pads, all washable for easy reuse, a water filter to ensure that only the purest steam touches your floors, and a comprehensive user guide to master your device. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, 2-in-1 cleaning. Combines vacuuming and steam cleaning, allowing for hard floor cleaning in a single step. Advantage number 2, effective germ elimination. Kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the use of chemicals, providing a healthy environment. Advantage number 3, convenient digital control. Allows for easy switching from vacuum mode to steam mode with the option to use both functions simultaneously. Advantage number 4, DropIt dirt tank. Facilitates debris removal without direct contact, providing a more hygienic solution. Advantage number 5, quick heating time. Ready to use in just 30 seconds, which is ideal for quick cleanups. Advantage number 6, washable filter and pad E, contributes to sustainable use and reduces replacement costs. Now let's move on to these few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, a weight of 4.8 kg. Although not excessively heavy, it could be considered cumbersome for prolonged use or for individuals who have difficulty handling heavier devices. Disadvantage number 2, requires regular maintenance. To maintain optimal performance, it is important to regularly wash the filters and pads, which could be seen as an additional task. Finally, if you are convinced by the undeniable advantages of the BISSELL Vac Steam Titanium and are ready to transform your cleaning routine, don't hesitate. Click on the link in the description to order it at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews from those who have already experienced this cleaning revolution. Don't miss this opportunity to make your home healthier, cleaner, and to save precious time, all with a single device. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.